Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in Super Bear Adventure with your friends. So let's get started. First of all, launch Super Bear Adventure on your device and load into the game. Once you're inside, look around for the computer in the game world. When you reach the computer, press the B button to interact with it. This will open up the multiplayer menu. Now, from the multiplayer options, click on Create New Party. The game will connect you to the server, and after a few seconds, you'll see an invite code appear on your screen. This code is very important, so make sure you copy it properly and send this invite code to your friends. Your friends now need to open Super Bear Adventure on their device. Go to the computer in the game, press B, and this time, select Join Party. After that, they just need to paste the invite code you sent them and confirm. Once they enter the code successfully, you'll see your friends appear in your lobby. At this point, everyone needs to click on the Ready button. When all players are ready, the game will start, and you can enjoy playing Super Bear Adventure multiplayer together. And that's it. You've successfully joined a multiplayer session and can now explore the game with your friends. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more gaming and tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you face any issues. I'll see you in the next video.